Hello. I have a delivery for you.
Wait here.
A trolley.
That's too small.
Don't worry, I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Wow!
Now I'm thirsty. Where can I find some milk?
Oh, it's there. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Go a little bit faster. Oh, Biscuit, you looking on my way. We found milk.
Here is the milk.
Well.
More. More.
What? I'll get a last one.
Milk.
Let's love sign. Milk. Milk. You sign. Milk. Good. Milk.
I'm hungry.
Hello.
I'm hungry.
I can make you a sandwich. Do you like cheese?
I love cheese.
But I'm wearing the wrong apron. I'm waiting on a delivery for a new apron.
Wait here.
A beautiful red apron.
That's mine.
Now, can I have my sandwich?
Yes. Thank you.
I love cheese.
Hello again. We've come to give you some money.
Let's love sign. Money. Money. You sign. Money. Good. Money.
Sorry, the till is broken. I'm waiting on a delivery.
Delivery?
This is gonna be.
No, that's a toy.
A toy? Don't worry. I know just what to do. Sometimes we bring the perfect thing, but there's no need to worry. If it's not the right delivery, just say Dizzy, Dazzy, Day.
Wow! My tail is working again.
You did the magic, Jack.
Thank you, Jack.
Well, I nearly fell off the trolley, and then you pushed me into the milk. But anyway, well, we've had a great day, but now it's time to go. We've got more deliveries to make. Thank you, Jack. Thank you, Clara, and Kira. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.